Right back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic I want to talk to you guys a little bit about is success making noise. I'm going to tell you right now that this specific type of topic fires me up because of the fact that I know there's so many people out there that can relate to what I'm about to say. I just want you to be okay with those who don't support your mission, who don't support your brand, who don't support anything that you have laid out for yourself, right? They don't even have to support your actual grind, and it's okay because what you're about to bring to the table this year, and from here on out, you know you're gonna come with a fire. You're gonna come like a monster. I'm right along with you. So with that being said, success is always gonna wake people up, right? It's always gonna bring the light to you. But I just want you to see the light currently right now. I know sometimes it can be frustrating. I know it can be frustrating. I know that you'll have your days where you just feel a little down. Our emotions go all up through the roof, right? But I'm here to let you know that it's okay because what you're about to bring to the table, you're about to wake up everybody. You're about to make a huge noise right now. But I need you to understand of what you need to do of each day. I want you to understand that your time is coming. I know you know. I'm just here to remind you so that you can get, after you watch this video, you can get straight to work right after. Know exactly what to do each day. Abuse your time. Abuse these tasks, right? So don't sit in a moment of why you feel that you don't have a lot of supporters or anyone's not listening to you, hearing you out. We all go through that. Not everybody succeeds. Because if everybody succeeds, then everybody will just succeed. You will see everybody at their success right now, but it's not supposed to be that way. It's not meant to be that way. Because if it was that easy, everybody would do it, really. It's hard. But we already know who can be about accomplishing their mission or not. You know that. But I need you to understand that what you hold, the power that you hold, and what you can bring to the table, I need you to wake everybody up. Your success is coming, but how important it is for you to succeed and stay on the right track to do it. You have to ask yourself that sometimes, you know? Don't sit here and linger on in the moment of why people are not listening to you or hearing you out or even want to just be around anything that you have going on. It's okay. Be okay with that. Make your moves and just never give up. I need you to see your vision every single day. I need you to stay on track, and I need you to give it your all each day, 24 hours of the day. It doesn't matter if it's the weekend or not. We work on weekends too. We make a move on weekends as well. Make each day count. And let's win.